Gather round, my friends, for I have a tale to share, a tale that flows like the tides of our beautiful oceans. Picture a young man, bright-eyed and restless, yearning for adventure beyond the shores of his island home. He approaches his father, a revered figure in their village, and boldly asks for his share of the family's wealth. In our culture, this is like asking for a canoe before the storm, and the father, with a heavy heart, grants his wish. The young man sails away, chasing the horizon, dancing with the waves and indulging in the vibrant life of distant lands. He feasts on exotic fruits, learns new songs, and dances to rhythms that pulse like the heart of the sea. But as the sun sets on his revelry, he finds himself alone, empty, and far from the warmth of his family's embrace. With his pockets turned inside out, he realizes that the riches of the world pale in comparison to the love and community he left behind. In his darkest hour, he remembers the stories of his ancestors, tales told around the fire, reminding him that even the mightiest storms pass. So he decides to return, his heart heavy yet hopeful. As he approaches the shores of his home, he's met with a sight that fills him with awe. The village is alive with song and dance, celebrating his return. His father, with open arms and tears of joy, welcomes him back, embodying the spirit of forgiveness that runs deep in our culture. The young man learns that home is not just a place, but a feeling, a connection woven through the fabric of family and community. And so, the tale reminds us all, no matter how far we wander, love will always guide us back to where we belong.